Hey everyone, welcome back. If Barclays apps keeps crashing or freezing, first swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Barclays app, swipe it away to close it completely, wait for a few seconds and then reopen it. After that, restart your phone to refresh the system memory. Then go to the App Store, search for the Barclays UK app, and then check for any pending updates for both Barclays app and your phone's operating system. Upgrading your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then, if the app freezes during login, temporarily disable biometric login and sign in using your password. If the issue continues, go ahead and long press on the Barclays app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for your app, and reinstall your app again. Once you reinstall the app, set it up again, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.